In this video, we're going to explore how you can use the background attachment property. And the background attachment property can control how an image responds. So basically, is the image going to be in a fixed position, or will it have a scrolling position? And with this, you can create a wonderful parallax scrolling effect. So right now we have this here, and if we scroll down, we can see here everything is fine, nothing special. So let's start and put this in here. And then we say here background, then we say attachment. And then in the attachment, you have multiple options. You have the initial, we can put it one in here. The initial, which is the standard default part, as you can see here, or the original, what it should be. And then you have the scroll, which is the default setting in the browser, which is almost exactly the same as initial. But the real exciting part is, because we have already here these square boxes here, we can create what we call a scrolling parallax effect. So basically what it is that when we scroll, we will see this image gradually move around and hide behind these boxes here. And this is really fun, because with this you can become more professional and create a seemingly 3D effect. So let's put this here. Instead of scroll, we put it on fixed. Once we save this and then refresh, alright, you can see that right now it readjusts the positioning, of course, of the image. But as we scroll now, you can see the image stays fixed, while the div here now gradually covers the image here. And this is truly fun, because this is very, very professional. And to make this really look nice, let's give here the width of the div a 100% effect. So then we increase the size of the image, and now if you scroll down, look at that, the image is gradually, while you can see here the text is still going up, but the image itself is not moving along here on purpose. And now what happens is you create this 3D effect, because the div here is going on top. So you get this real nice 3D layer effect, where you have a feeling that there's something now gradually like an overlay on top of it, covering the image step by step. And this is really fun to do, and this is quite professional as well. Having this can create new things with new images and a completely new experience for your visitor or your viewer. So most important one, of course, with this is you might readjust the cover size or the positioning of it, or adjust the width of your div, just to make sure that the image fits. If the image doesn't fit, adjust the image size or adjust whatever you need to do within the cover or the positioning of it. Most likely you will use the divs here to adjust the width of it, because if we have the cover will by default expand to max size. And that of course might adjust the image that we have set as here on fixed, because this will readjust the position of the image, because it needs to be fixed at a specific angle. Alright, so this is really a very useful one to explore. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.